guys, so today I have came to Brixton to be a hair model for Russell & Brown's Vintage Hair Salon. So Russell & Brown's are actually based in my neck of the woods in Liverpool, but they also do a variety of classes. Today's class is for a wedding updo tutorial, so let's go see what they can do.
We're from Russell & Brown's Vintage Hair, and we do a lot of vintage styling at our salon, along with makeup, dyeing hair, cutting hair, but we love to focus on our education and our bridal as well.
Okay, so obviously vintage, especially vintage hair, is quite a niche market. What made you guys decide to go vintage with your hairstyling?
I think we wanted to do a little bit something different. I think there's it's a very saturated market, and a lot of people are just doing normal hairstyles, so to say, and we do love all the Hollywood glamour. So I think when we met each other, we had a similar vision for the hairdressing future for ourselves, and we wanted everyone to look like a Hollywood movie star.
Which obviously I can attest to. I've had my hair done by Carl today.
Yeah.
So obviously you said you focus a lot on education, so why are we here in Brixton today?
So we're here in Brixton today to put on one of our vintage hair courses. Now this is vintage bridal, so we do touch on a little bit of bohemian, but focusing on a lot of vintage as well. It's very popular with the brides now. They're always wanting something classic to look back at in their album. So today we've covered 4 different looks.
So we've done 20s, 50s, 60s types of looks. So that's kind of what we specialise in, is the 20s to the 60s. We give everything like a bit of a modern twist, and yeah, it's just standout hair, isn't it?
It is, it's head-turning hair. That is great to photograph. We find that a lot of people don't need to put any accessories in because it's so fabulous. It's good enough.
The hairstyles you do are absolutely incredible. So thank you very much for having me today.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so I have just finished my first experience as a hair model with Russell & Brown's Vintage Hair Salon, and as you can see, they have emanated the 60s very well by giving me a beehive. So this was surprisingly really quick for them to accomplish, though I suppose that's just because they are in the know. So as you can see, I think this look is really elegant, yet at the same time gives that real kick with the volume that I think I'm looking for in a hairstyle. So this is something that I really love about Russell & Brown's vintage hair, is that they are able to give you that vintage feel, but with a modern twist. So the intricacies that they've done at the back of this beehive, I feel as if really gives it a little something extra and a little more pizzazz than just a standard beehive. And it really makes me feel glamorous. It's great. So today I am wearing another dress by British Retro. As you can see, these are a particular favourite of mine. This time I've gone for a dress that I think has a bit more of a casual feel, or at least slightly less glamorous in terms of the fact that you could wear this every day. So it comes with this kind of slightly fairy, fluffy leopard print belt, which matches up with the buttons, and the collar, which is also slightly fairy, which I do just think adds a little bit of fun to a black dress. There's just this little pop of quirkiness, which I really, really love. It makes me feel, as I said, more casual, but at the same time, still fabulous.